Windy weather. Windy weather is when air moves really fast. You cannot see wind, but you can feel it and see it push kites, pinwheel spinning, sailboat racing. Wind helps birds fly and even makes electricity from windmills spinning its blades. Stormy. Sometimes clouds get grumpy. That's stormy weather. You hear loud thunder. Actually, that's clouds clapping and see quick lightning. Strong wind, lots of rain, and strong wind. So kids, stay inside, stay safe, and count 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi to see how far away the storm is.